Hello and welcome to Nix Trains. This is the tail and headlamp arrangement that I got it soldered from my local TV and electronics shop guy. So this is how it works. The two white lights and the two red lights. So I'm going to put this assembly in my old Lima dummy HST power car. I didn't do the pickup thing, the track pickup thing, because I found it a bit tricky to to do that. So I just got this assembly done. Now I'll just try to fix this inside the dummy car. Okay, I will have to remove the seat, the driver's seat here. Or probably I can just put it somewhere here. Okay, so this is what it's actually looking like with the white lights on, and this is with the red lights. For those of you who wish to see the train running with its installed lights, please click on the lower right corner of the screen. Thank you for watching Nix Trains. Please share with people who might like, appreciate and enjoy trains. Comment and subscribe.